Hello, my name is Kylie, and welcome to Words About Our Feelings, Part 1. In this video, we learn words that help us describe how we are feeling. After this video, be sure to watch Words About Our Feelings, Part 2, to learn even more words about feelings. Let's get ready to learn new words about our feelings. Surprise! Have you ever been surprised at a birthday party? When we see something or hear something that we didn't expect, we feel surprised. Look at the word surprised. Spell it with me. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprise! How can you tell someone is surprised? Sometimes we open our mouth and put our hands on our face like this. Now you try. Show me your best surprised face. Oh, wow, great job. Okay, can you think of times when you have been surprised about something? I really like parties, and I like to see my family and friends feeling happy. Happy is a good feeling we get when we share, give a gift, win an award, or hug a puppy. Spell happy with me. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. What do you think is the biggest clue someone is feeling happy? You guessed it. You can see a big smile on their face. Smile! There is a word I bet you don't like very much. It is a word that means the opposite of happy. Can you guess which word I mean? Yes. The word I am describing is sad. Spell sad with me. S-A-D, sad. When someone is sad about something, they may show an upside down smile. It is called a frown, like this. I remember a time when I was sad. My best friend left to go on a long trip, and I knew I would miss her. I looked sad for many days until she wrote me a letter. Then I wasn't so sad anymore because I knew she would be home soon. Ouch! That had to hurt. Charlie just stepped on a toy that his little brother Arnie left out on the floor. He is so angry at Arnie for not picking up his toys. Spell angry with me. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. I can tell Charlie is angry because his arms are crossed and his face is scrunched up like this. Can you show me your best angry face? Whoa, that's really angry. Sometimes we get over being afraid and we become brave. Spell brave with me. B-R-A-V-E, brave. Being brave means you have courage and aren't afraid to do something even though it might be really scary. Look at Alejandra. She is being brave because she is not afraid to sleep in the dark at night. She doesn't even use a nightlight. That is really brave. When were you really brave? I bet you can think of a lot of times when you were not afraid and were very brave. When you've been brave, like Alejandra, you should feel proud of yourself. Spell proud with me. P-R-O-U-D, proud. Being proud means you feel good about yourself because you've done something that was hard to do or that you were afraid of doing. You can also be proud of someone else. Daniel is very proud of his Aunt Melissa. She serves in the military and he is proud of her bravery. I am very proud of myself because I worked very hard in school. Are you proud of how hard you work on your schoolwork? Let's review all the words we've learned. Surprised, happy, sad, angry, afraid, brave, proud. I'm happy and proud that you've learned all these words about our feelings. Try and use these words when talking about how you feel. Don't feel sad that this video is over. You can practice these words and more using our fun online games and quizzes. Until next time, remember to always be clever.